for you. Oh, wow, baby. Ooh, na 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 na. Damn, look at the legs on this damn bullet. How do you know that phone? Because I don't know why this screen is so stuck. Falling for you. There y'all go. Tiffany, Catherine, yes, we back. Hey, Nikki. What Kia say? Oh, she sent me some. What did they say? Man, I'm working. Sometimes it's so sad, girl. Oh, I'm gonna share in Pettyville. I need for them to come give me some, come talk shit to me for a couple of minutes, y'all. What the fuck is you doing? Blah, 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 blah. All that shit like that. Oh, you know what them other groups, they be like, oh, that's why they be asking me, are you here? Because they be like groups for their particular area, I assume.
Yeah, we're back.
We back. The phone died, y'all. It didn't even tell us it was going out, too. We only had 53%. It lasted us 2 hours or something. My phone is the shit. Somebody said, what? Let's who? Mr. Larry. About what, Mr. Lord, watch me. About what, Mr. Larry? He living in a convalescent home or something, too. Look, Larry, Mr. Larry. Okay? I say, my daddy friend. I keep telling her, I said, you know you're my daddy friend, right? You know you're my daddy friend? Oh. Uh-huh. I got some messages I shouldn't really answer, but I'll get to them. Cause you my baby. What Tamika say? I see how hard you working, making everyone look pretty. You need a break. Much love. Yes, honey. Thank you, Nikki, looking for us. And no dinner tonight. Probably y'all. We went to eat earlier, but I'm gonna have to go eat it again. Cause Warren said that meal we had earlier was bullshit. So we need something else. Hello? Hello?
How you doing?
How you doing, Mr. Larry?
Oh, NBC? I'm alright. Who is this?
This is Ray Nan's daughter.
Darren?
No, I say Ray Nan.
Ray Nan?
Yeah.
Oh, you in North Carolina?
Yes, sir, I am.
North Carolina?
Yes, sir. I'm in Carolina.
How's your father?
He doing good.
How's your father?
He doing good.
I haven't seen him in a while.
I know.
Yeah, I haven't seen him in a while, boy.
Who you talking to, bro?
You know, I'm in California.
Yes, sir.
Who you talking to, bro?
Tell him I said hello.
I will.
Say hello when you see him, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go, okay?
All right, Mr. Larry. You have a good day.
Mr. Larry who?
Okay. Larry Stallings. I think he live. I don't know where he live at, but I think he kind of crazy.
He said he in California.
Yeah, he in California though. He's for real. He in California. For real, he in California, but he live crazy.
Your followers is something else. Mr. Larry sound like a deacon in the church.
Okay.
And he sound like he drive a Cadillac.
Yeah. He do. That's how he look to y'all. Then how he look. That's exactly how he look to woman. Hey, it's the sumo. Hey, it's the sumo.
He said Mr. Larry is a sugar daddy.
Mr. Larry need to quit calling me. Most of the time I don't answer the phone, y'all. I swear to God I don't. I always hit the no button on Mr. Larry. I always hit the no button on Mr. Larry. His ass will call any damn way. He's now who it is? He always asks me who is you? Bitch, you called me. That's what I be wanting to say. But I don't do that because it's Mr. Larry. You know what I'm saying? I can tell that this elevator kind of stopped mid-floor. You know what I'm saying? You know he living a double life. Mr. Larry, he's a crazy self.
Mr. Larry ain't playing no games.
And when he say, well, all right then, but let you go. Then what the hell did you call me for? Let's talk. What is we talking for? Look, you out in California. Go to Figueroa. And he can get him a whole damn $2 hoe.
Oh, Lord.
I'm just saying, he might pay for some pussy. He driving the Cadillac. Hell. He driving the Cadillac. He paid for some pussy. Somebody give Mr. Larry some something.
Can you cut this off?
Okay. When I was out in California, my daddy, I don't know if he's friends with Mr. Larry or not, but he just know my daddy. One of my daddy real friends, Mr. Arthur, was like, Chris, you come stay at my house. I said, Mr. Larry, Mr. Arthur, where you stay at? He told me he lived 2 hours from LA. I said, I wish the hell I would.
Mr. Larry got the sunroof open, pumping the Gap in.
Okay. I said, I wish that, hell I would go. I said, I'm going to be all right in the city. Okay, your ass. Damn, well, stop being worse, damn it. Did it pop? It did. He didn't even give him the thumb up. No, hold on. Okay. Leave me alone. Where's some pizza? So I'm finna straighten this with her hair. You want some curls?
Yeah.
And fluff the front.
Yeah.
We'll wrap you up something like that.
Tim said his wife said hi and
Hey, baby.
that he's so embarrassing.
He is. He's embarrassing. He very is much so. I can tell. I can tell.
Tara said he looking for something.
Who? To Mr. Larry? Well, I don't know who looking for him, but they want me. I'm over here in Carolina, honey. I'm on the other side of the damn the state, should. I'm on the other side of the country. I can't do nothing for you over here.
Sharonda said change the smoke detector battery or put one in.
No, it needs to be rewired. Send me an electrician over here, Shug. That's what I need. I need an electrician. See?
Montoya said, oh yeah, because he got to get up early in the morning and find him another girl.
Exactly.
Yes, this is the sew-in.
So Mr. Larry need to get on his job.
Let's sew in with minimal leave out. That's all the hair that's left out.
And see, I got another customer with long hair.
I ain't bald headed just because I wear weave, because you know that's the first thing folks holler. She ain't got no hair. You keep sleeping on Mr. Larry, he gonna lock you down.
Shit, me, I got a husband.
He probably smell like Old Spice.
No, he's supposed to smell like damn mothballs.
My mama's been doing that for 20 years. I want to kill her. The smoke detector thing. Don't kill her. I'm sorry, it's a pet peeve though. I understand. We could probably get on my nerves too.
I don't even hear that shit till y'all say something about it. Now I'm gonna hear it for the next 2 hours. When I go to my room, I'm gonna hear it chirping. So listen to that shit.
Yes, that's what the beep is for. But
yeah, it's off circuit. It's not on line with the rest of them, so it keep chirping. It ain't because of the battery, y'all. Even though it probably might need a new battery, but it don't even fucking matter if you put a battery in that bitch still chirp. Cause when whoever wired it didn't wire it, they just put it on the ceiling. And it didn't wire with the rest of it. It's just up there. I don't know. It just ain't right. I don't know what to tell you. It ain't right. And when the what's that? The security people.
mm-hmm.
They was like, you need to have it rewired, but but the rest of them are online, so they let us come in. They come in anyway. But they was like, that ain't right.
Yes, sew-ins are protective style. I love a good sew-in.
I hate it so much. I would want somebody to give me one, but I'm so fucking funny. Anybody gonna be able to do it.
Okay.
And I quit before I get done with myself.
Hold on, here we go. Hold on. So my mama says the same. What beeping, baby? So the mama tunes out the beeping. Hold up. I said I wasn't gonna troll, but an iron crystal, like, come on.
Who that, Tim?
Mm-hmm.
Tim, shut up.
Okay, long live come on says that's ghetto as fuck.
What, the iron?
Mm-hmm.
It is not. You're getting it done in your head. Is it ghetto?
No.
Don't you love my iron?
I do.
And
because I want my sewing to be flat.
And whoever that said that it was ghetto as fuck would love my iron too. Honey, you want it to be flat. You don't want no humps and bumps. Well, we from North Carolina. We don't like our sew-ins. They have that hiked up part right there. Where you have it hiked up. It be hiked up right there in front of their head. Yeah, it be hiked up right here. Sit up like that right there. Look, it be hiked up like that.
So
we don't like it to look hiked up because everybody that walk past her think this is her real hair. That's what we do. It we trickery sorcery around this bitch. Yeah, we got weave in, but nobody can't fucking tell.
Yes, it's an iron. It is not super duper hot though.
No, because it's losing its heat because it has no cord.
It's not. There's not a cord attached.
See, it has no cord. See, I put it on my Marcel stove. So let's just do class because y'all's returning. Okay. So we have the Marcel stove right here. We put the iron up there. I can take this iron right here and put it in that stove, and it gets just the same amount of heat on this as it does right here. I know y'all's retarded. I know y'all retarded. So let me be slow with you and break it down. This here is a metal stove. It get hot. Okay, let's move the camera. Can you see it? Okay. It get hot. This thing right here. And then you put this right here on top of that. And you also put this thing right here in this hole right here. Like this is a big old pussy hole. Little dick. Go right on in. Boom. Slide in easy. Don't need to spit on or nothing.
They living for this. They were waiting for this anyway.
They were waiting for
But they gonna get off the live and do it later than somebody else did.
Exactly. Helpful. I'm gonna see the video on damn Shade Room. Share it so somebody else can damn talk shit about it. That's what I need for you to do. I need for you to share. Share this right quick. Hurry up. Share.
I put my clothes flat iron on my weave to flatten it too. It's the same concept, but the iron is direct heat, so it works better.
What? The iron is metal, straight, flatness. It works wonderful. Okay, so y'all ain't never had your grandmama lay your head on the iron board before then. That's what y'all trying to tell me. Okay. You ain't never laid your head on the iron board when y'all was out of town and your hair got wet and it dried and your grandma tried to straighten that shit back. And she did that shit with iron. When we was in Alabama and my hair got wet in the rain and my grandma pressed my hair out with the iron board. Y'all ain't never had that none before. Okay.
I know many stylists that use an iron. This is not unusual.
Thank you.
Your client base is gonna keep growing.
I mean, I could use a few new customers. Y'all can come. But I like it better when my old customers stop wearing braids and you get their wig from the change. They come on back in. You know, the prodigal child. They come on back. I ain't talking about you. I ain't gonna talk shit about you in the chair. I ain't gonna get you like that.
So you can wait till I leave and talk about me?
No, I'm talking about you while you're here. I'm just talking about you in third person, that's all. We're gonna do it in third person, darling. See, this flat iron is the bomb. See how fuzzy her hair is?
It's because I'm natural.
I'm not talking about, but no, this flat iron.
Cardi B used it on hers. Cardi B stylist used it on her.
And then Tokyo stole it from me.
I'm not knocking how or what she uses. I just had no idea this was a way, but hearing her explain it, I get it.
Okay, so now you're not retarded no more. Oh, you stopped being retarded. That's so nice. Midnight. Let's go.
You gotta
come on, Midnight. Hurry up.
Baby List Pro.
Yeah, this
Somebody
baby
just said they need to buy it. How much is it, Chris?
$160.
I don't know.
Yeah, them shit's $160.
I told my daughter I'm gonna iron her hair.
And then that's why she was saying, Mama, iron my hair before I go to school in the morning. Make it flat. Cause I don't know how y'all walk around with them humps on top of your head thinking y'all look cute. And your wig sitting on your head like a damn cone head, looking like damn the cone head family. I don't know how you do it, honey. It is not flat. It is not cute. We standing behind you in the grocery store laughing. Even my husband be pointing y'all out to me. He said, look at that. He said, I hate that you do hair. I said, why? He said, because hoes used to look good to me. Now look at their head. don't look good no more.
I'm natural too, so I need that kind of flat iron. It's worth every bit of the $160. I'm gonna have to go get it.
You might can find it at Ulta, but you're only supposed to be able to buy these if you're a professional. I don't think they sell them at TJ Maxx.
So petty.
What?
I don't think they sell them at TJ Maxx.
I don't think they do. I think you only get them at the Cosmo Pro store or Ulta sells them, but I don't know how they sell them. Somebody said Ulta had a pair, but I don't think it's these.
So if I give you $160, you can go get me one.
I'll get you some.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because when I bought these at the hair show, I had to have my license.
Cone head.
Cone head. Y'all seen them on Saturday Night Live? Y'all remember?
To be honest, us whites use irons. Don't let them lie. We don't use the iron board. We use the countertop.
See? See?
Ulta online also.
Okay then.
I've seen some cone heads with wigs and sew-in.
Exactly. Looking like damn Herman Monster. No, Herman Monster head flat. No. Looking like Grandpa. You know, Grandpa the Monsters had that cone in the middle of his head with that widow's peak. Y'all saw looking crazy.
Oh.
Where we gonna go eat at again? I'm not hungry, but I know you were saying that you was that what we had earlier was bullshit.
Crystal Faircloth says Goldsboro Love. I think she's from here.
Hey baby, what's up, Goldsboro Love? Hey, Miss Faircloth.
$180 on Ulta.
Oh, that 180 on Ulta?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit. I must have got a discount from the company then. Hell.
Miriam laughing.
I got the iron to bring it out one more time, y'all, because I got to straighten that other little piece out. I'm almost something. I'm trying to curl it.
I don't feel good.
Oh, baby. Want to go back to the hospital?
No.
Then what do we do then? Because you say you don't feel good. And the only thing I can do for you is suggest to go to a hospital. But I can say let's have sex. When they want to do it.
Are you gonna love me?
When?
Are you gonna love me before?
I'm going to love you before we have sex?
Yes.
Yes, I love you before we have sex.
How far is Goldsboro from Whiteville?
An hour and a half. No, an hour and 41 minutes. 2 hours. Give or take. Depending on how many times you get stopped at the by somebody driving slow.
Who coming from Whiteville?
You said what?
Who coming from Whiteville?
Who said something about white boy?
Miriam asked.
What's her last name?
Munn. M-U-N-N.
I know her. Somebody said what's up.
Someone says hello, Miss Miriam. She says Goldsboro is her hometown.
Oh, so she's from here and lived there. Wow. You must be a nurse or something. 'Cause I can't see no other reason why you live in Whiteville.
Columbus County is the place where dreams go to die.
Go to die. You see the dreams dying over as you hit 701.
Keisha says she's gonna have to get your autograph before you blow up too much.
Oh shit. Bring that up.
Oh.
Miss Larry, we gave us a thumbs up. We're being stalked by the old pervert today. You know he on the call every so often. Mr. Larry, that man, that's my daddy. I said, I'm Ray Nan's daughter. I always have to get him off straight. I'm Ray Nan's daughter. He said, oh, you in North Carolina. Okay, then, just Ray's girl. Yes. Tell her I said hello. Okay. Just keep this conversation platonic. Because I could just imagine what he would say to me if I didn't say I was Ray Nan's daughter. You know what I'm saying? Because he looks tooted up to say, let me see your pussy. You looked at his face.
Yeah.
His label that came in his hand like a nasty old man in that facility that he was at.
She said she has family in Whiteville, Wilmington, and East Arcadia.
Well, then she should know some of my family.
You welcome, Keisha. I got you, boo.
You and Sue are probably cousins. East Arcadia. Everybody down there in East Arcadia is one cousin. That's where y'all family lives, is East Arcadia.
Oh, I have family all through Columbus and Bladen County.
I know, all over Columbus and Bladen.
It's not my mama, then my dad.
Woo! Y'all still saying the prayer for me? Don't say a prayer, y'all say the chant now. Somebody say it out loud. Look, Tourette's. Didn't I say Tourette's to bed one time already?
He was in the bed. He done woke up now.
Seeing Tourette's back to bed.
I fell asleep with my contacts in and my eyes hurt.
Oh, Tourette's.
Calling that man Tourette.
You know what?
What, baby?
Fuck you. How about that?
What, Tourette's?
Go to hell.
You came in here with Tourette's too. You just be blurting out shit. My beard hurt. What the fuck? Where the hell that come from? Your beard hurt? How the hell your beard hurt?
He said he had a pain on one side, this particular side over here.
And then your goofy ass gonna remember what he said.
Yeah, cause
you go to bed too.
I'm ready. I had to go home and go to sleep and get up in the morning and travel.
The same way my head was hurting. Yes, sir.
What they say?
Oh, thank you, Keisha.
Goofy self. Tourette's.
I don't see how you forget that he said that.
You know what?
Because he say so much. That's why I started calling him Tourette's. Because he come back here all day long and be like, my fingers hurt.
So are you a hypochondriac?
Huh?
Are you a hypochondriac?
Yeah, he's partly hypochondriac.
Really?
And he has illnesses also on top of the hypochondriac shit.
Oh, wow.
I have real illnesses.
I mean, like real
I mean, I know
illnesses.
we talked about that because he was supposed to be going to see.
Yeah, he got the cardiology
Yeah.
doctor to see. He has MS, right?
Okay.
And then he go see a psych ward doctor.
Gotcha.
So then we know.
Because you said you was going to go see somebody too.
No, I went with him to his psychology appointment. Then I realized that I was crazy. But then we all know I'm crazy because I'm with him. So you know my brain got to be something wrong with my ass because I'm with his crazy ass. I'm with Tourette's.
Jesus.
I'm with a nigga that's blurred out shit. I don't know damn where.
Same thing I said, Keisha, a beard hurts. I didn't think that, but you know, hey, I don't have one, so I don't know.
I can see what, because I have like a little hair, facial hair right here.
But it don't hurt.
You know, when you need to shave that shit,
You shave it?
Yeah, I shave mine. You poke it back in my face. Like I need to take the clippers.
My hair is
So
heavy.
what we thinking about? My hold that for your hair right now. I been want to do this all damn day. Oh, I can't stand it. Okay.
What the hell is that smell?
This hair cooking.
No, I don't think that's just the hair. I think that's something else.
Oh no, I farted over there earlier, so that might be lingering. It might sit right in that hole. Just wait for your ass for Tourette's to go there and sit down with it.
You know what? You can shut your bipolar ass up.
Ain't nothing wrong with me.
So I gotta go home and flex and grab my hair now.
You really do, should.
Thanks.
You said you was going to a job thing. You know, white folks like curly hair. What's the word?
Clear. Supposed to be clear.
Clear people. You know, I don't like to say it. I don't like to call them that online because, you know, they'd be offended. You know, like, oh, how come you have to say color? So I just say clear people.
So you don't think they take offense to clear?
Shit, they probably do. That's probably more offensive. But, you know, I'm being politically correct. You call them Caucasian?
Oh my gosh, I'm not messing with you. They are all laughing at you.
Oh, should we call them?
They are cracking up.
They cracking up.
That's true.
You know what? Why don't you just call them non-people of color?
Non-people of color. Non-colored folks. I like that better. Non-colored folks. We colored folk and they non-colored.
I ain't colored.
You ain't too
No,
colored.
I'm not.
You brown, ain't you?
I don't like that term. Colored.
Yes, I love colored.
I don't like colored.
Like Negro better?
I don't like colored though.
Just be an indigenous American Indian. How about that? Okay. But they are European. So you want to see now? You want me to be correct? Since I can't call you colored, I have to call them what they are, and that's Europeans. See, now you just made me call them what they is.
No,
Europeans.
I was being a troll like Tim.
You was in a troll. You really was.
Look,
Maggie said he was in here trolling.
Maggie said we just white girl.
Okay then.
Technically, they're of European descent.
Yeah, because they probably got a lot of indigenous American in their asses. Go shake their damn tree, and nobody from their family came from no damn well. Y'all not even European.
So Craven County was full of free black people in 1850 on the census report. The 1850 census report.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people didn't have no last name, but
No, they didn't have no last name.
some of them didn't. But it was still
Free men.
No, they didn't say free men.
No, they didn't say that shit then either.
Some people had free men on their name, but the other people were just free.
You know what? The free men didn't come till later.
1850 census that she was a free person.
Uh-huh.
They were all labeled as black, mulatto.
Oh, someone signed the call?
Unlabeled was me and white.
Oh, it's out here. Hold on.
Here.
Oh, yeah, it's on over here.
Unlabeled being white and the label was black and mulatto.
No, I gotta cut that some more. You know that ain't right.
Okay.
Purple as we
Sarah came back to see it. She said she had to see it done. Loves it.
More hair. So y'all know I got OCD, so you know I got the that bang, don't got enough slop to it.
Everybody in my entourage, most things.
So you bipolar as hell. I agree with that.
Bipolar, OCD, whatever.
I'm not schizophrenic because I don't hear voices.
Shitting me.
I have anxiety. Yes, I do have anxiety attacks. I do have anxiety. 'Cause I get anxious like a motherfucker. Start working my fucking nerves. I'm be anxious as hell.
That's just like we had to move to the other side of the table because you couldn't.
Well, I couldn't sit there with them people. Not with that lady in that damn wig. I want to talk about her in that damn wig so fucking bad. And the one beside, the one lady sitting beside us, y'all, her wig went like this. It went down like this, and then it went out like that right there, right? You know them like flips, and every flip was its own damn special flip. I couldn't take it, so I couldn't sit there in front of them. So we had to sit. So we had to turn around at the table.
That woman watching the video right now, she just turned to her husband and said, Marvin, that girl talking about us.
Yes, I'm talking about y'all. I'm sorry. I couldn't do your hairdo today, baby. I didn't have no business card to give you now. And then, you know, you had gave all your money to Jesus this morning, so I'm pretty sure you probably were broke.
Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate it.
She did. She probably gave all her money to Jesus.
I don't know. She might have cashed at him $20.
It's the first. She gave him his 10% today, boy.
Like I said, I give him my 10-20% whenever I get Jesus cash out.
When he give me his cash out?
When he give me his cash out.
Exactly. So they get Jesus direct cash out line? Not Jesus, God's. Because we give it to the Father and not the Son. So, boom, bump the Son, who is not the Father.
I find out what bank he used.
Yeah, which one? Is he at First National?
Does he use a credit union?
Ooh, credit to my state employees?
I don't know.
You know what? He could have a checking account at every bank.
He balling.
I know.
And then the government don't come after him.
And what? They don't charge him taxes. Jesus don't have to pay taxes.
Like if he
and nobody who work at his building have to. Well, the main person who works at his building don't have to pay taxes. All the rest of you little employees better pay your taxes.
But he had to pay taxes on his Cadillac.
Just because he got to pay the car payment. And the members pay that because they pay the car payment when they pay their tithes.
Okay, so Jesus' money is separate from the dude that run the church.
No, Jesus' money and his money run together.
So they got a joint account.
Yes, him and Jesus has a joint account.
So what
he has access to it. Jesus don't.
Huh?
Jesus don't have access to the account.
So you not giving him no money?
Yes, you is.
No, you giving it to the dude with the Cadillac.
No, and he got the book that Jesus ordained.
So what?
King James ordained.
So what? Did Jesus call him up and be like, "Hey, I need some money. I need you to transfer it to my account.
Yeah.
Or I need you to draw some out and put it in the collection plate next week. And I get it out the account."
That's what he said. That's what Jesus said.
Do he have a debit card?
Yeah.
Does this card have a chip in it?
Jesus' card got a chip. No, Jesus don't need a debit card. He just stick his finger to the thing and it is like automatically like spit out.
Oh, so he got Samsung Pay in his finger.
Yeah.
Oh shit. That nigga balling.
Sarah said, "Oh my God, whoa, I can be bringing an iron out at work."
Yes, you can.
She said, "I bet I will now."
Okay. Tell them this is an old school tool from North America. The iron was invented here in North America. Okay. We invented the iron. So therefore, we can use it any damn way we want to.
Denise said you need to get in the same science class you gave earlier.
Oh God.
Okay, so where does Jesus rank as far as millionaires are concerned?
What you mean? What did he say with millionaires?
Like he got like millions of people giving him 10% every week. So he should be like a millionaire, billionaire.
No, he's like a gazillion, gaboomba dare. He's a gaboomba dare.
So he's like the richest.
He's a gaboomba dare, okay? A gaboomba dare. That ain't even no number. You can't even count that shit. A gaboomba $0 dollars? You can't count that. How much money is that? Who the fuck knows? That's how much Jesus got.
What did he do with the money? Because he don't got a car payment.
I know, he just get in anybody's car and drive off. He don't need money.
So why we give it to him?
Because they need it. his servant needs it to live. He can't live without it. Even though Jesus only had an axe, a white sheet, and hold on, let me see what Jesus had. He was in the scene. All Jesus had was an axe, a white sheet that he wore as a robe, and that's it. And they had nothing else. They had no other earthly treasures.
And a naked white dude following.
And a naked man following close behind him, who ran off naked when the Roman soldiers came in Mark chapter 14, verse 50 and 51. Oh, it's fine though, I know.
I've always been confused about that.
About which what?
And still, nobody has been able to tell me.
See, I know I ain't open the week right now, so I don't know what's going on right now.
In Genesis,
What I needed.
What we just said all that stuff?
Oh, okay, gotcha.
who wrote?
I had to find the stuff that said she couldn't find.
Fine, uh-huh.
But I found it.
Mm-hmm.
Who wrote down Genesis?
Who wrote Genesis?
Yes, in the Bible.
Jesus wrote it.
So he was creating the world and had time to write the
No,
shit down.
Jesus is the Son. God is the God. So he had his Son there with him, or the Holy Spirit wrote it down, and then metaphorically transferred it to paper. And then somebody walked by one day and was like, "Oh shit, look at this book right here. It's how the world started." But who taught him how to read it? What language was it written in?
It was written in Jesus.
We ain't shit. It's on the hashtag, okay? It's on the hashtag. We sorry. It's Sunday.
Same thing as other hair iron.
Yes, mine is just heavier. Mine's an old school GE. Oh, I love this edge control. It act like it want to do good.
Which one is that?
With this edge control, it's called Super Edge Control. Who's it made by? Ever Beauty. Kim. I got it. No, I got it beautiful. You don't jump it, Kim.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's made by Jesus.
Praise God. Was a cry, little mama.
I'm just waiting for somebody to get mad about my comments and say that's why you have MS and your heart don't work.
No one is going to do that because they know Jesus has compassion for you. They're going to pray for you and Jesus is going to heal you.
Don't pray for me.
Jesus said, "Ye are gods."
So you can heal your damn self.
Yep. So heal yourself. Because Jesus in the Bible said, "You are gods."
Ye are gods as if we are gods. Psalms 101.
It's a verse in the New Testament too.
Yeah, it's a verse in the New Testament too. Yep. And it is in Matthew. I think it's in Matthew chapter 5. I can't get the exact verse right now in my mind, but I'm thinking it's Matthew chapter 5 when Jesus is talking to the masses.
Ho.
What?
Like I told that woman, why am I gonna ask you to pray to heal me? Your God is perfect and don't make mistakes, so he did this to me. So this was part of his plan.
Oh God, it was not part of his plan. It didn't mean for you to get MS.
When you find time to go to the hair supply store, you always at work.
Oh, and why somebody under the dryer? What is under the dryer?
So I guess this is Project Mess here. I get what works for some, not all. I cannot pay you to put an iron to my head.
Well, honey, that's why you are not in my chair and I don't need your money.
That hair looks like it is growing out the scalp. That's the idea.
That's the idea of the iron. And it's flat.
Thank you.
So let me hit it one more time with the iron.
Little people.
Let me hit it one more time with the iron while she can't take it. See, this is the only hunt we can have is that little piece right there. We can't have nothing that's hiked up. Can't have no other heights. Nothing else hiked up now.
So make sure y'all talk about Cardi B like that and some of these other hairstylists.
Exactly. Talk about Tokyo Styles being ghetto as fuck. I bet you won't call him ghetto as fuck, bitch, because you probably want to suck his damn little gay dick. Okay.
One person don't start no show.
She sure don't. She don't stop shit here because I could do hair tomorrow, but I got to go with my husband to his doctor's appointments. So I have to do my wife duties tomorrow. But on Monday, honey.
Tuesday.
Oh shit. On Tuesday, bitch. See, I don't even know what damn day it is. I work so damn much. I can't even keep up with the damn days of the week. Everybody come to sit in this damn triple bitch. Let me throw this damn iron on their damn head while you talking shit.
You don't have to go with me and my doctor's appointment. I'm good.
You hear that bitch over there? I didn't call him. You called him that, but I heard it. I heard it too, oh motherfucker.
See a motherfucker, slap a motherfucker.
Oh God, wait a minute, don't hit him.
Oh, so now we resort to beating up crippled people.
Yes, right. Sure, we'll find a damn crippled person who can hold me down. Look at the height. Let me show y'all something. Y'all see this? Look how he got my arm. Look at it.
Because you was trying to abuse me. See, look at you.
You said slap a motherfucker if I see one. Okay, they said they want a close up. Oh, okay. They said you did that. Let me give them a close up on her hair first.
Ow.
And you can say the same. Let me go, Warren. Let me go, damn it.
You came over here.
Let me go.
You came over here fucking with me.
This fucking let me go.
You came over here fucking with me. There you go.
Why she gotta come?
There you go.
Because they saw this on the camera.
I don't care.
Y'all see him hit me, right? Y'all get the damn calling the 911 on his ass. I can't flip the camera around. Hold on. Oh, okay, there we go. You know what? Don't touch me no damn more.
Keep telling you I'm sick.
Y'all want to see this part again?
You know what I want?
Can you see the tracks? Do we see the humps in the track?
I want some cucumbers
And tomatoes.
and some vinegar.
Yes,
With
sir.
some salt and pepper.
Yes, sir. Woo! Yes, sir. Salt and pepper.
That's some good eating.
Yes, sir. With an onion or two in there. Let it,
Right?
let it get real good and juicy. Sir. Let it sit in the refrigerator. Everything in the salt and vinegar.
It's not a shim bob. It's a sew.
It's a sew-in.
I've been waiting on the sew in. You got it.
You got it. There you go.
Sunday slay.
Sunday slay.
Now I'm about to go.
Okay. Get the hell out of my chair. Carry your ass
Well,
on.
take it first.
Thank you.
Drop.
Your keys. Carry your ass on, sure. Yes, I talk shit to my customers, and they give me money. Yes.
All right. So I don't think I came in here with nothing but that hair and my keys and my phone.
That thing we got two, so we got the extra
I need
one.
my charger. I hate to get home without having.
We can't use it. Just be sitting over there till somebody else come on Tuesday and steal it.
I know. See y'all.
Bye. More hair.
I'm depressed.
Oh God, you're always something. Thank you for knowing that was supposed to be autographed.